Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to AP-GTR2000GD Gigabit Ethernet Embedded GPS Network Time Protocol Server and inform you how to set up and configure AP-GTR2000GD. AP-GTR2000GD Embedded GPS NTP server receives the GPS time information from GPS satellite and performs the Network Time Protocol Server service for network-based application server, which requires accurate time information like a CCTV and VR server. AP-GTR2000GD supports dual Gigabit Ethernet ports as well as dual RS-232 interface for backward compatibility, and it supports dual power. In front side of AP-GTR2000GD, there are LAN 0 and LAN 1 port, console port, direction key, set button, alarm LED, and sync LED button. In rear side of AP-GTR2000GD, it supports AC power connector and dual power. And there is one module slot for AP-GPSR2 module. AP-GPSR2 module provides dual DB9 RS-232 interface port and GPS antenna connector. Put antenna on location which receives GPS signal well. Connect GPS antenna to antenna connector of AP-GPSR2 module. Connect power cable to AC power in the rear side of device and turn on power switch. After connecting LAN cable to LAN port in front side of device, time and date are displayed on LCD display through GPS after booting of AP-GTR2000GD. LAN 0 default IP address is DHCP. LAN 1 default IP address is 192.168.10.1. After connecting LAN cable to LAN 1 port and inputting default IP address 192.168.10.1 on web browser, access to AP-GTR2000GD Smart Web. After inputting default IP address on web and put Enter key, you can input username and password. After login, you can access to Smart Web. Let me change the IP address. There is a system setting menu in top left side. If you click WAN setup in menu, you can check default IP address is set as DHCP. Let me change LAN 0 IP type set as DHCP to static IP. After setting IP that you want to change and click Apply button in the bottom left side, IP address is applied. Set time zone after applying IP address. After inputting Seoul and 9, click Apply button in bottom left side. You can change language as preferred via Language table menu. Language is changed by inputting language which corresponds with English table of user table and click Right button. You can set simply using button in front side as well as a Smart Web. Let me start to set using button in front side of device. Access to System Set Mode by clicking Edit button. Change to static IP by clicking Enter button after moving cursor to network type using up and down button. After assessing IP address configuration, set LAN 0 IP assignment, 7M mask, and the gate address. Set standard time per country after setting time zone. By accessing to GPS information, you can check GPS received location, synchronization status, NTP terminal and NTP response information. Setting AP-GTR2000GD is finished. AP-GTR2000GD supports NTP server feature. Let's synchronize time by setting AP-GTR2000GD PC time with NTP server. After inputting IP address and clicking Update Now, time is synchronized with AP-GTR2000GD. Check present time via mobile application. When disconnecting antenna or not receiving GPS signal, synchronizing message is displayed and blue LED flashes. You can check satellite information and blue LED lighting through LCD after GPS signal is synchronized.